In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone's reel to your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here tap at reel icon. It brings you to Reels feed and now you are able to share any reel to your Instagram story. In order to do that, just hit right there at this small airplane icon and then right here tap at add reel to your story. It opens up story editor where you can edit that reel, you can scale it, you can move it around to place it wherever you want. Also here you can tap at this colored icon to change the background color. Also here you can use these options to add a text, add here some stickers or draw something. And then you can tap at this arrow icon and next you can share that story with your followers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.